Have you ever wondered what shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays? The answer lies high above us, in the Earth's stratosphere. There, a thin layer of ozone serves as our planet's sunscreen, absorbing most of the sun's UV radiation. This hero was first discovered in 1913 by French physicists Charles Fabry and Henri Buisson. Their revelation of this atmospheric layer wasn't just groundbreaking, it was sky-breaking. The discovery of this protective shield sparked a new chapter in our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere. So, what exactly is this ozone layer made up of? Great question, let's dive right in, shall we? The ozone layer, an invisible shield wrapping around our planet, is predominantly made up of a special kind of molecule called ozone. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about ozone. Well, unlike your typical oxygen molecule, which is made up of 2 oxygen atoms, an ozone molecule is composed of 3 oxygen atoms. That extra atom makes all the difference. But where does this ozone come from? It's a fascinating process that happens high up in our atmosphere, in the stratosphere to be exact. When the sun's ultraviolet light strikes oxygen molecules, it splits them into individual oxygen atoms. These atoms then combine with other oxygen molecules to form ozone, but it's not a one-way process. Ozone can also be broken down by ultraviolet light into oxygen molecules and atoms, creating a continuous cycle of creation and destruction. Now, why should we care about this ozone layer? Here's the thing, this layer plays a critical role in protecting life on Earth. By absorbing the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, it acts as a global sunblock. Without this protective layer, we would be exposed to high levels of UV radiation, which could lead to a host of health and environmental problems. Without the ozone layer, life as we know it would be drastically different. So, let's make sure we appreciate and protect this invisible shield that keeps us safe every day. But what happens when this protective shield is damaged? Well, various factors contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. One of the most significant being the release of chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, into the atmosphere. These are chemicals often found in air conditioning systems, refrigerators, and aerosol sprays. When released, they slowly rise to the stratosphere, where they're broken down by solar radiation, releasing chlorine atoms, which then participate in reactions that destroy ozone molecules. The consequences? They're dire. A depleted ozone layer leads to higher levels of UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. This can result in increased cases of skin cancer and cataracts in humans. Moreover, it can cause harmful effects on ecosystems, particularly affecting plankton in ocean surfaces, which forms the base of the world's food chains. We must remember the choices we make have a global impact. It's up to us to ensure the preservation of our ozone layer. So how can you play a part in protecting our ozone layer? By taking simple steps like cutting back on products that release harmful CFCs into our atmosphere. It's not a huge ask, but it makes a world of difference. Remember, every single action counts in the fight to preserve our ozone layer. Do your part today.